Right now we're in the Eurotunnel Le Shuttle, crossing under the sea on our way to France. Myself, Samira, Robbie, Mikey, Chris and Ollie and Emma, who are meeting us later, are heading to the French mountains to get our ski on.
Yeah.
Let's do it. And just like that, half an hour later, we're in France. Oh yeah! Absolute buzzing for a week of skiing. It's one of my favourite things in the world to do. I'm so excited. So I'm going to hit the hay. Hopefully that snow falls all night and it's going to get thick for tomorrow. That is not a bad view to wake up to. Look at that snow! Yeah. Look at that. Skiing, just keep skiing, just keep skiing. Oh. Woo! Oh my word, this is amazing. You just see the mountains in a completely different way. Oh my god.